Welcome to my channel. This time I'm building a little birthday present for a friend, a key holder with 6 hooks. I decided that the key holder should be in the shape of a key, so I made a simple template by hand. I taped the template onto a piece of ash that I have sanded and cut to the appropriate size, and draw on the piece of ash where I'm going to cut. When I have made all the markings according to the template, I take the jigsaw and cut until the piece of ash takes the shape of a key. It's difficult to sand in all places, but with my small engraving machine, it works quite well. I round the edges with the smallest router bit I have for round edges. I drill the holes for the hooks with a pillar drill. It will be easier to screw in the hooks perfectly straight then. I choose to use epoxy as the varnish for the key holder. It provides a strong surface that reduces the risk of keys scratching the varnish. I choose to screw in the hooks before the epoxy varnish dries. This is because the hooks have a flange. There is a risk that the paint will loosen around the flange if you screw in the hooks when the paint is dry and the flange presses too hard on the varnish. This is the finished result. Pretty cool design. Hope my friend thinks the same and appreciates his birthday present.